Hello everyone, Bobby Benish with Benish Real Estate Group, and we are here at this beautiful home at 170 Notting Hill Drive in Springville, Indiana. Sam Martin, one of our awesome agents, has this property listed and ready for you to take a look. As you can see, it is spectacular out here. A little breezy up on this hill, but what a gorgeous, spectacular view you have, and a great yard sitting off the road. Gosh, several hundred feet. I mean, you could walk that every day and get some good exercise. So let's go on in this beautiful home. Notice the stonework on the front. Nice, pretty front door. Beautiful entryway, and it walks into this gorgeous open space. Vaulted ceilings. So everyone wants that open concept for a variety of reasons, but this home offers extra space. You could have large, you could actually have 2 or 3 sofas here, or a nice big sectional. You have an exceptionally large dining space that leads and welcomes you right into this beautiful kitchen. Gorgeous gray tones everywhere, including the little black kitty who's following us around. Really nice cabinetry. A breakfast bar island, which I love. Plenty of space for cooking and putting everything out for entertaining. Just super welcoming. I mean, take it in for a moment and imagine your family sitting here or your friends and how peaceful it is. Way back off the road in this country neighborhood in Springville. So let's go look at the office since we're right over here. Watch out for that kitty. Super cute. Now we've got a Packers fan, and we do love our Green Bay Packers. So you're gonna notice some gorgeous greens throughout this home as far as the paint colors. And if it's not to your taste, a little bit of paint and you can change that. All the closets have the sliding doors removed. Obviously you could reinstall them, or if you wanted to do a really nice curtain, that would be exceptional too. It's kind of the trend now. And these beautiful doors, kind of craftsman style. Nice hardware. And then in here we have the laundry room. Gorgeous gray tile, nice big tiles. Beautiful bright window. That's always nice in a laundry. And then over here we have your full bath. Double vanity. Again, that really nice gray tone cabinetry just follows through. And then here we have a bedroom. Now again, we do have 3 bedrooms on this floor. One is being used as an office, but you certainly could maintain it as a bedroom. And this is a king-size bed in this room. So for a secondary bedroom, it's actually quite large. And we have some nice pieces of furniture. Again, that super organized kind of home edit, open closet, super organized. And again, a nice little nook for things to hang. We'll come on back through here. And then just pan at the beautiful kitchen, that nice big table. I mean, you really could have a family full, lots of friends over. Love the gorgeous tones of the dark grays that complement the floor as well. And in here, again, another Green Bay fan. Go Green Bay. This is our primary bedroom. It does have a beautiful ensuite, which I will let you take a look at that gorgeous, gorgeous tile and those gray tones, again, taken throughout. You have a really nice walk-in shower. It's spacious. I love that you don't have any of the grout work. It's one big, piece or sheet, easy to keep clean, and it super complements the vanity top which is really, really, really pretty. Yep. And the gray really pops off the green, but yeah, super colors. And we do have a nice big closet over here as well. It is a walk-in closet. Obviously, we've got some kiddo fun stuffed animals in there, which I love, love, love. How sweet is that? And that giant football. But super organized. This seller has done a lot of organizing in the closets, and you can really see how much space you have. So watch out, little kitty. Let's head on upstairs. And this is a bonus room upstairs. It could also be, gosh, it could be an exercise space. If you needed a quiet home office or study room for kiddos away from everyone, or if you have a teenager or a guest, this would make a super space for that as well. So it is a bonus room, add a closet, and it is your additional bedroom up here. So nice big space, great playroom space. Love the bright, happy, cheery colors. After you. Watch out for that little kitty. Unfortunately for the new buyer, the super friendly cat does not come with the house. So let's go out here before we head to the basement. I just want to show you this spectacular patio space. So we'll make sure our little black cat does not get out. And we'll just take a peek out here real quick. We've got a couple of puppies, which you would expect living in the country or even in town. But nice big yard. Your yard goes all the way back to the fence, and it does include this matching shed and this huge patio space. Now, you could actually use this for additional parking if you wanted to bring the cars back and unload right into the kitchen, but there's also your attached garage and that extra door at the end as well. Nice and sunny out here today. So come on back in. And we are going to head to the full finished basement. This home has roughly 3,500 square feet of finished living space. And it is cozy, and this nice modern gray tone is brought throughout the entire basement down here. And talk about a recreation room. I mean, we could do cartwheels in here. So lots of space for kids or family. If you want to have an exercise room down here, that would be great. And I do want to point out that there is a window here. It's a full egress window. So if you wanted to close this space in, it could technically be another bedroom, but that's nice to have there. Nice and bright and super cheery. Gorgeous space. You can see they are a sports fan, but you could decorate this in your favorite team as well, or if you had kid art, or you wanted to have your own space, you could make it a really super cozy family room. And then through here, we have a game room. Now, ping pong tables are big, and so is air hockey. So it kind of gives you an idea how big this room is, even though it does look kind of small compared to the massive family room over there. Again, another egress window, so you could technically make this a bedroom if you wanted to add a closet. So that's nice. There's room for expansion. And then we'll go on up and take a peek at the garage real quick. It's super nice. So the seller is in the middle of packing and rearranging, so just don't mind the items in the garage, but really nice concrete floor. There's a floor drain. Again, you can see that there is that exterior door. So if you're doing yard work or needing to come in and out, you could just slip right in there. So beautiful space, lots of room to personalize. And if you would like an in-person tour of 170 Notting Hill, give us a call. Bye.